Now we're going to go over the purl stitch. So you hold your yarn the exact same way. Instead of going up and through and in the back, you're going to have the yarn in front of your needle. Instead of in back, you're going to have the yarn in front. You're going to go in through the front of the loop, around, and through. This is the purl stitch. Now if you notice, sometimes I will put my finger on the top and help push it down. But that's just something I do. You don't have to. That's the purl stitch. Should have a nice ridge line, similar to garter.